Welcome back to the channel, Safety with High Pressure Systems. Our main example is the starting air system, a critical utility that powers the massive main and auxiliary engines. While indispensable, the immense stored energy in these systems poses significant risks that demand strict adherence to safety protocols. Understanding these hazards is the first step toward preventing catastrophic failure or injury. High-pressure air systems operate with energy densities far exceeding atmospheric pressure, often reaching up to 30 bar or more. The primary hazards are structural failure of components, rapid depressurization leading to blast injury, and potential for severe skin penetration if an airstream directly impacts exposed tissue. Safety starts with proper maintenance and inspection. All air receivers, the large storage tanks, must undergo regular mandatory pressure testing and internal inspections as per class society requirements. Look for signs of corrosion, distortion, or leaks at joints and welds. Never attempt to weld or repair a receiver or pipework while it is pressurized. Isolation is the golden rule. The pipework and fittings are equally critical. High-pressure air vibrates and stresses the piping, so inspect mounting points and expansion joints regularly. Ensure all flange connections are secured with the correct grade of bolts tightened to the specified torque, and that new, appropriate gaskets are used during any overhaul. Small leaks can quickly erode material, turning a minor fault into a major rupture point. Operational safety procedures must be followed rigorously. Always confirm that all safety valves are tested and certified to lift at the correct set pressure. These valves are the final defense against overpressurization. Before opening any drain valve to clear water condensate, approach with caution. Depressurize the line if possible, or wear appropriate personal protective equipment like safety goggles to protect against potential debris or forceful discharge. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is non-negotiable. When working near or on these systems, always wear eye protection. Never use high-pressure air to clean dust from clothing or skin. The jet of air can force debris or even air itself into your bloodstream, causing an embolism. Before commencing any work, the system must be fully isolated, depressurized to zero-gauge pressure, and physically locked out to prevent accidental pressurization, a process known as lockout-tagout. Respect the energy stored within these systems. Your diligence in following safety procedures is the shield that protects you and your colleagues. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.